How to rename Slack channel. Channel name outdated or confused? Let's fix that in under a minute and keep things crystal clear. Step 1. Head to Slack. Then over here you can see, choose the one you want to change. Simply hold it for a while. There you can see new channel, star channel, copy name, and copy link, copy holder. So you cannot change it from here out. So simply open it. There you, if you hold the channel name, here you can see three dot icon. Simply go on settings and details. There you can see alu and then description. So you can change the name by simply tapping on this pencil icon. There you can see the name. Now you can change it. So here you can also keep the group name and simply tap on save after it, after you are satisfied with your names, descriptions or top. Also make sure that all the channels names are of lowercase. I just did a mistake over here. Then simply tap on save. Like this you have changed your workspace channel name.